Joe Beermaster. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a homemade hand sanitizer, because this is something I never really used, but I could see the need for it, and the stores are sold out of all the products. So I decided to make my own. I did a little research, and you only really need 2 products. This is going to be the 2-minute video on how to make it real quick. You need alcohol, and you need a host for the alcohol, which in this case we're going to use aloe vera gel. The stores are out of the alcohol and they're out of the gel. I found this in the sunburn section. And there's different variances of ways of making it. So what it comes down to, the CDC is saying that you should use 60% above alcohol. It'll say it on the label. This one has a little less, and this one from the dollar store only has 50. But if it's not out there, it's better to use it than not. So basically, we want to use 2 parts alcohol to 1 part aloe vera. I'm sure you could use any other hand lotion too as a host. Basically, the alcohol dries your skin. This is the host that keeps it moist, your hands moist. You could also use glycerin in there. I've seen people put glycerin in there. And also you could add essential oil, which basically adds a little oil and moisture. So it should take a minute to make. We're going to use 2 parts alcohol. I'm just eyeing this up. You can use a measuring cup or whatever you want. And now we're going to get the aloe vera. And we're going to pour that in. Take the lid off. And pour 1/3 to this. I'm sure it doesn't have to be exact. And you basically mix it up. And there is your basic hand sanitizer right there. And you can put it in a little bottle. I have a little bottle I have left over. We're going to put a little gel in there for hand sanitizer. Or you can go buy some. They sell new ones. But that's basically your hand sanitizer there. That's it. It's simple. If you want to add a little glycerin to it, you can do that. That will keep your hands moist. That's if you can find it in the store. Sometimes you cannot find these products. So I'm just showing the basic method of making hand sanitizer. Is alcohol 60% and above, and basically a host. In this case it's aloe vera gel, which is the best. That will keep it moist. Nice and moist. If you want to add anything else, not necessary, but this will do it. Of course, you always want to wash your hands. It's best to wash them for about 20 seconds, and that will help keep the bacteria or germs away, viruses.